buttons can also function like how the links do. So all you have to do is, instead of anchor, the a tag, just do a button tag on click document dot location. You have to give the single tag. Just removing the href. If you see what I did was, I just replaced anchor with button and on click equal to, so when you click on a button equal to document dot location, the same Anne Hathaway HTML file. You can see how it works now. See, you see a button now. When you click on it, it goes to the same page. Now Anne Hathaway is a button now, but it similarly works like a anchor tag or a link. Now if you actually look at it, it just looks so gray, but truth is you could style it like you want. See, so you could style all you want. You could style all the tags. You could style the link tags. You could style the button tags. So button and anchor is all the same. Just how it appears and how it gives the user experience is all it differs on.